Hi everyone, Ithute here from Lucigarite. Welcome to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to sing a very simple song. It has become an earworm in my household, so it shouldn't be difficult to learn. And it's a direct translation from the Cookie Monster song that says, I like to eat apples and bananas. So direct translation, ke rata hoja is I like to eat. Ke rata hoja. Ke rata hoja. And then apples. In Setswana, one apple is apole. Very simple. Apole is one apple. Diapole is plural. And then banana in Setswana is banana, so it starts with a P. Banana for one, or di banana is multiple or plural. So I've kind of done a rough translation of I like to eat apples and bananas. So here it goes. Ke rata hoja, apple le banana. 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 So usually you'd sing that song and then you'd go through all the vowels. In the English version, I like to oat, opals and bananas. Doesn't quite work that well in the Setswana version. But it has become an earworm and my 4-year-old has been singing it all along. So I hope it doesn't become an earworm in your household and you get to enjoy. I like to eat apples and bananas. Ke rata hoja, apple le banana. Till next time.